Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing well. For today's video, I have a review on a new foundation. I am so excited to try out. I haven't heard a lot of people talking about it, but if you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Jessica. I upload beauty, fashion, lifestyle, hair, budgeting, all types of content here on my channel. If any of that would interest you, I would definitely recommend to subscribe. Also, while you're down there, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below as well, like I just said. But yeah guys, for today's video I have a review on this foundation right here. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Glow Illuminating Foundation, medium to full coverage with vitamin C and lotus flower extract. So I haven't heard a lot of people talking about this, so I'm really excited to try it out. And if you guys are interested as well, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so if you guys are new here, I have combination oily skin. I'm very oily in my T-zone and like on my cheeks and everything, but the rest of my face is pretty normal. I am not dry at all. So I am going to be priming one side of my face just to see like what kind of primer might work well with it. And yeah, so for today, I'm going to be using this Hard Candy primer balm. It's really, really good. I'm really excited to use this new foundation. Also, I'm filming on a new camera. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but I did get the Canon G7X Mark II. My other Canon camera, there's nothing wrong with it. It just won't connect to the EOS utility that I use as my viewfinder. So I'm trying to figure out another way so I can use that camera as well, maybe get like a monitor or something, but we shall see. So I'm just going to use it on my right side, your left, I guess. I don't know if this is flipped or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to prime also with this Essence Prime Studio Hydra HD Hydra Primer Spray. This is amazing. I love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a little spritz of that. So while that is drying, let's go ahead and look at the claims of this foundation, shall we? Oh, now it's on Ulta. It wasn't on Ulta before. I actually got this from the Makeup Revolution website. So I'm happy to see it's on Ulta now, so you guys can pick it up really easily. So let's see. It's only at Ulta? I don't believe that. Okay, so it says details. You asked Makeup Revolution, listen, get ready to glow with Conceal and Glow Foundation. They revolutionized the foundation game with the original Conceal and Define Foundation, which I also love. Now they introduced the next revolution, Conceal and Glow Foundation. This buildable coverage foundation has been pumped with brightening vitamin C plus light reflecting pearl particles for the ultimate skin-loving radiant finish. Simply blend over the complexion and watch your skin appear effortlessly, illuminated, brightened, and gorgeously glowing all day long. Okay, so it says how to use. For best results, following your skincare routine, prime the skin with Fix and Go Primer. Leave to sink into the skin for a couple of seconds before applying your shade of Conceal and Glow Foundation with your tool of choice. Build your coverage to suit your preference. Okay, so that's pretty easy. It didn't give us any strict instructions on any specific tool or anything to use. This does come with a pump. If you guys are not familiar with the Conceal and Define line, I guess, from Makeup Revolution, it usually has like this huge doe foot applicator, much like the Tarte Shape Tape. This is the Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. I love this concealer. I'm probably going to be using it today. But let's go ahead and pump this on the back of my hand. I went ahead and picked this up in the shade F12.5. So let's go ahead and see. So that's what the color looks like. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but I'm going to go ahead and do the unprimed side first. I believe this might be a little dark for me. we'll see once we blend it out. I might have to go a shade up, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and dot this on the face. Got some little face demons down here that we need to take care of because, you know, it's mask season out here. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this in with a little brush. And let's see what the coverage is looking like. Okay, so far so good. It is definitely a little dark, but I think with some powder and some concealer, I'll be able to make it work. I definitely should have gotten the shade 12, not 12.5, but that's my bad. Okay, so far I'm really liking the coverage. So this is it with foundation and without foundation. So as you guys can see, this really nicely covered up any of my redness or anything. I think, how much coverage did it say? Medium to full. I would definitely say it's a true medium because, like, I can still see some of like my blemishes through the foundation, for sure, but it's definitely covering. So far so good. I'm really liking it. I will zoom in once I apply the other side so that you guys can see close up. Actually, the color isn't that off. It's definitely a lot warmer than my skin tone. But like I said, I think with a little concealer, we'll be good to go. So I'm going to pump out. That was just one pump on one side of my face. So I'm going to do a full pump, just like I did the other side. And do the same thing on this side, which is the prime side. All right, and this side I'm going to try it with my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. This is my favorite sponge to use because it did say on the website tool of your choice. So that's what I'm trying to try out because I know a lot of you guys like to use a brush, and I know a lot of you guys do also use sponges. So we'll see. I like the coverage with the sponge as well so far. I can't complain. My lash extension's falling down. Okay. I definitely look like I have a mask on right now. It's like not blended into my neck at all, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm not going anywhere exciting today. I'm actually not going anywhere today. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'm not seeing too much of a difference between the primed and unprimed side at the moment. And I'm really not seeing that much of a difference with the sponge or the brush side either. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys in a little bit. I'm up close and personal, so you guys can definitely see I have some texture on my cheeks, some pores on my chin. I definitely have some little baby face demons going on, but I'm really liking the way that this is looking. I feel like the side with the sponge, which is this side, has a little bit more of a glow to it. Do you guys agree? Than the side without. With using the brush, I feel like the side with the brush is a lot more matte, if that makes sense. But I'm not mad at it at all. I think it looks gorgeous on the skin. It's really, really nice. Let me fix my lash extension before it goes flying away. There we go. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup, and then I will be back to show you guys what we're working with. Okay guys, so I am all done with the rest of my makeup. I really didn't do anything crazy. I literally just put on some bronzer and some highlight. That's really it. Like I said, I'm not going anywhere, and I have on lash extensions currently, so I'm really not doing any crazy eyeshadow or anything right now. But I am loving the way this foundation is looking. It just looks so healthy and so glowy, hence the name of the foundation, the Conceal and Glow. But I am loving the way it's looking. I still think it's a little off the color. I will tell you guys what I used. I just went in with my Airspun loose powder just to lighten it up a little bit. I really like to use the Coty Airspun when I need my face to be a little bit brighter, a little bit, you know, give it a little something something. I set that with this sponge under my eyes and in my T-zone just because I know I get oily. And then I just dusted it over my face with a large powder brush. Nothing too crazy. I went in with my Fenty Beauty Caramel Cutie bronzer, which is my favorite. It's just like the perfect like bronzer color for me, and it just looks like this. Went in with that, and then I went in with this BH Cosmetic Belgian Waffle palette, and I just used the two highlight shades from here. And yeah, that's really it. I did go ahead and set my face just because that is what I would usually do anyway. And I really like to do these reviews as if I was just doing my makeup regularly and just seeing how the foundation plays with my products that I already use. So I did set my face with the actual Makeup Revolution Hydra Matte Fixing Spray. I really love this. This is like the perfect setting spray for me because it says Hydra Matte, and like I need a little bit of hydration, but I also need to mattify. So this is the perfect setting spray for me. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, and I didn't realize like how much I love Makeup Revolution products because I have a lot sitting in front of me right now. But yeah, guys, the time is currently 1:13 in the afternoon. I have a few more videos to film. I feel like I've gotten so behind on videos because I wasn't able to film anything because my camera wasn't working. So I'm filming lots of content here for you guys today. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, film another video, and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. It's currently raining outside. I did want to show you guys how it looks in natural light and everything, but there is no natural light today because it's cloudy as heck. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead, finish up what I have to do, and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, welcome back. It is currently 4:38 in the PM time. As you guys can see, if my camera wants to focus, don't think it does, but that's fine. So I've had this on for a little bit. I've had this on since, well, my headphones are still in. I've had this on since like around 1 o'clock, so it's been like 3 hours. 1 to 2, yeah, like 3 hours or so. I feel like I've had this on for like 10 years. I feel like the days are so long sometimes in quarantine. But yeah, this is how we're looking. A little bit dewy, of course, around the forehead area and around like the T-zone. The cheeks is just my highlight that I use, so I don't blame it for that. But yeah, we're looking good so far. Like I said, it's like 4:40, so I literally have not gone outside or done anything because it's pouring rain outside, and that doesn't sound like a good time to me. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to wear this until tonight when I want to wash it off and go to bed. And that's really it so far, but this is how we're looking. I'll do a little close-up for you guys so you guys can see as well. I just realized that this camera can zoom in like so freaking much, but this is how my skin is looking. Like I said, a little oily on my upper lip. I'm not going to blot or anything right now, but I think it looks really, really good. I need to blend out that bronzer, girl, but yeah, like I said, a little oily on the upper lip. Looking good on the under eye. Can't complain. And the forehead's just a little oily. You can see just a little dab of some powder would do me good, but I'll be back. Okay guys, so it is currently almost 7 p.m. 6:45 in the evening, and I'm sweaty because it's very hot in my house. It's very humid outside right now, but I just wanted to come on here because I really want to take a shower, start getting ready for bed, winding down. But I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what the foundation is looking like. So I've had this on 5 hours, and usually around 5 hours is where my oils really start to break through, start to wreak havoc, you know, letting us know that they are here and they are here to stay. So this is what we are looking like. Said this is available on Ulta now. How many shades does it have? I don't think it has a lot of shades. That's one issue that I know can happen with Makeup Revolution. So it says buildable coverage. I agree. Has been pumped with our brightening vitamin C plus light reflecting pearls. I didn't see much of the light reflecting properties that it was talking about. Like when I squeezed it out, it didn't really like it. I mean, it definitely doesn't have glitter in it, if that makes sense. So I guess that's good. For reflecting pearl particles for the ultimate skin loving radiant finish. Definitely a radiant finish. Even when I was applying it, I definitely felt that it was radiant and very glowy, which I liked. Effortlessly illuminated, brightened, and gorgeously glowing all day long. I agree. I think that I am very glowy. I think that if you have like super oily skin, I don't know if you would like this just because it is hella glowy like from the get. And even with me matting it down with my Coty Airspun and setting it with a powder, my oils really did still break through at the 4 to 5 hour mark, which is usually how it goes for me, especially like when I'm outside and it's hot and humid. Let me know down below what your favorite foundation is and what have you been doing to like set down your makeup like under mask, because that has been my issue. I went out on my birthday and I feel like my mask was like covered in foundation. Not that there's anything wrong with that, like girl, like I'm a bad bitch, like I'm gonna have foundation on my mask, whatever. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will talk to you ladies in my next video very soon. Bye. Mwah.